Hey my beautiful Tea Party squad, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be doing a Stickerbook flip through of the new Hustle and Heart sticker book. I received this in my first Happy Planner squad box and I wanted to just do a quick flip through to let you guys see a close-up page by page flip through of it. This sticker book is a 30-page sticker book and it has 737 pieces, and it is also designed for the discbound system, but of course you can use this in any planner and I think it will go great with any planner and any layout. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so that was a flip through of the new Hustle and Heart sticker book by the Happy Planner. Again, this is a value pack sticker book with 30 sheets of stickers, and it comes with 737 pieces of stickers. So I hope you enjoyed the sticker book flip through. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that you enjoy the sticker book flip throughs here on my channel. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more sticker book flip throughs and so much more from the Happy Planner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.